I am a caveman and I speak poorly. I explain complex things in simple language even a stone can understand. Today's topic is how to start a business. And listen, if you feel scared, confused, or think you not smart enough, relax. I built my first business when tribe still trying to invent socks. You and me, modern tribe of money hunters, we want freedom, not from mammoths, from bills, bosses, and alarm clocks screaming like dying dinosaurs. So, caveman tell you secret, business is simply trade value for value. You give something people want, and they give shiny paper back. No magic, no MBA, no degree from fancy, shiny University of Fire Making. The first step, solve a real problem. People only pay for 3 things: to save time, to save energy, or to stop pain. You find pain, you make solution, you charge for it. In ancient times, I sold warm rock. Tribes froze. I had hot rock. Boom, profit. This is called identifying demand. Second step, make simple offer. Not complicated like modern hunters who create 50-page business plans nobody read. No, simple. You say, I help you do X, so you get Y. Example, you fix leaky roofs, people get dry house. You cook good food, people get happy belly. You walk dogs, people get dogs still alive. This is called crafting an offer. Third step, test fast. Don't build giant business temple before you know anyone wants it. Caveman rule. If 3 strangers give you money, not mother, not cousin, not weird neighbor who smell like burnt berries, real strangers, then idea works. This is called validation. Then you deliver so well that people scream with joy, not anger. Over-deliver. Give more than promised. Back in tribe days, someone buy warm rock from me. I throw in small shiny pebble for free. Word spread. Suddenly everyone yell, "Caveman, make best rocks!" I didn't do marketing. Tribe did marketing for me. This is called building reputation. Next, raise price. If you never raise price, you not a business owner. You a tired donkey. People pay more for what works well. I once charged 2 small fish, then 4, then goat, then baby mammoth. People still bought, because warm rock saved toes. This is called pricing power. Now you make money. But wait. Many beginners do stupid thing. They spend everything on shiny new toys. Caveman rule. Reinvest first, enjoy later. Buy better tools, improve skill. Make business stronger before buying useless gold hat. This is called reinvestment. When business stable, you add help. Not friends who always late. Not cousin who eat inventory. Hire reliable people who want to win. Free your time. Scale. I hired young hunter to heat rocks when my hands tired. Now I run entire warm rock empire. This is called delegation. Last part, protect yourself. Money tribe leaders, government, want share of your mammoth. Clients can get angry, things can go boom. So Caveman says, get simple contract. Separate business money and personal money. Keep books clean. Protect your cave. This is called business structure and risk management. You have one life, one chance to build something that frees you from chasing next paycheck like hungry wolf. Start simple. Start small. Start now. Every big business began like tiny spark in cave. You can do same. Now, you smart entrepreneur. You watch, you subscribe. We are both happy.